Let's learn IIB. Today, I will demo how you can work on zip files using Java Compute Node. Let's add more complexity into the problem statement. You get a zip file in some folder. You have to use JCN to read the zip file. Zip file contains multiple invoice XML files. Zip file contains multiple attachments in PDF form. You have to create multiple XML files with attachment in XML and push them to a queue. This is the problem statement. I worked on this problem in 2015 and felt like sharing the solution with my audience through GitHub. Link in description. To learn more on Java Compute Node and XML files, view this YouTube video. Link in description. Why are we using JCN for solving this problem? IIB nodes can be used to read files, parse XML, and create a XML output. But you do not have any IIB nodes that can manipulate zip file contents. So you have to resort to Java or .NET language to do this. This is the output structure that is expected from the JCN node, where the placeholder ZZZ would be replaced by a base64 PDF content. Here, name of the PDF file and its contents are within invoice XML tag. Your input file looks like this with multiple XML files and PDF files. Since this code is from 2015, I was working on WMB version 7 back then. And the project type is message flow project. You can import this into IIB version 10, deploy and test without issues. Let me know in comments if IIB developers should learn Java language, or is ESQL sufficient to design, develop middleware solutions. Reply in comments. Message flow is shown here is simple with only 3 nodes. File input acquires zip file. JCN creates multiple XML files and sends it to MQ output node. Here you see that I consume blob data, use Java zip classes to read zip input string, then add the name of the PDF file and its contents to a map object. This stage can be compared with IIB's parsing stage, where a DFTL reads a blob message and converts that into some tree structure. With this Java code segment, I create output XML and propagate it to MQ output node. Base64 encoder from sun.misc package is used. There are other base64 encoders available in IIB's JRE. You cannot set the binary value of PDF contents within XML file. Notice that base64 form does not contain any special characters. All the characters used to represent the PDF falls under ASCII chart. This is why base64 is necessary. What did we learn today? We learned how to acquire zip files using file input node, how to parse XML files using JCN, how to parse zip files using JCN, and how to create XML files using JCN. If you found the video to be useful, subscribe to my channel and share your feedback in the comment section. Code is available in GitHub and some documentation is available in the blog post. Links in description. See you in the next video.